Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion Skoolie by Tish. You can call me Miss Tish. Now I created this channel with a vision and a mission to share to all who may be interested in the field of fashion, garments, merchandising, and even events management. Now remember, this fashion industry earns millions. It employs millions of people from around the world. Different entrepreneurs earn their business. They have their business in fashion-related industries. So many related industries. And you may be choosing to be in one of them. Another thing is that this industry also comprises of a country's gross domestic product. It's the GDP of many countries. So to those of you who would like to learn fashion but maybe are unable to go to formal school now, or are still thinking, should I or should I not take up formal education, I will help you to decide. I will teach you from the beginning of how to draw a simple line. Well, as you can see, the first lesson is going to be drawing lines. From a simple line to making a whole fashion line. Okay, I will also give you a lessons on how to not just not just design a fashion line, but to cost a fashion line. It's called merchandising. So come, join the Skoolie, enter the classroom. I will be loading as much videos as I can every 2 weeks. Okay, it's every 2 weeks because I expect that you're busy doing something else. If you're a mom, you're busy with the family and the kids in your enterprise. If you're working, you're busy with your work. If you're a student, you're doing something else. This is a good choice. It's not just because it's for free, but because it's an elder person who's been in the industry, who has learned a lot, passing it on to you, to the next generation. So come on, join me, subscribe, like, press that bell for the notification, share this with your friends, because so many people I met along the way say they actually wanted to be one but just couldn't afford to take the lessons. So again, welcome to Fashion Skoolie.